To log into the Copitrak unit, enter your employee ID. You can also enter your employee ID here or here, and press enter to finish logging in. Let's make a copy. You'll see a list of your most recently used client codes right here, or if you'd like to enter in a new code, start typing. It'll automatically complete based on the code that you entered. If you'd like to do a search and you don't know the client code, press search. Perfect. So now we're ready to make a copy. Head over to the Konica, load a document in the paper tray, and make sure to hit the copy button. Now press start. Konica's going to make a copy, and once the copy is complete, it'll tell you right here that it's made one black and white copy. If you're all done, you can hit end and it'll log you out. If you'd like to scan to email, go ahead and hit menu. Let's select scan to email. You'll notice the screen is very familiar. Here you can choose from your list of most recently used client codes. Notice this person's username is already selected for email. So if we were to load a document in the paper tray right now and press start, it would just go right to Holly. But if we want to add someone else in there, let's type in their name. Excellent. So both Holly and Chris are highlighted here. So the scan's going to be sent to both of them. If we'd like to take Chris off of the list, uncheck him. Let's go ahead and scan our document. Put the document in the document feeder, press scan, and we're going to send it to the Copitrak. So press Copitrak and then start. The document's now going to be sent to the Copitrak. Now if you have a very large job, this could take a little while to show up. By default, it's going to be sent as a searchable PDF, right here, OCR. You have the option to make it Microsoft Word, PDF-A, or Excel document. We're going to keep it searchable PDF. Message, this is the body of your email. Change it to whatever you'd like. Attachment, this is very important. This is going to be the email subject, and it will also be the file name. The next field is called copies. So by default, it's just going to make a scan, but if you'd like it to actually print out a copy of that scan, you select copies. So let's go 1. So once the scan is actually sent, it's going to send a print job of the scan. Not quite as good as a copy, but it will do in some cases. Next, here's some scan options you have. Rotation, zoom out. If we had multiple pages in this job, we could choose to delete some. We could choose to insert pages after a certain page. Each page will now be inserted prior to page 1. You know, if we had a second page, we could insert a page after page 1. And then if there was a document that came through that was damaged in some way, we could rescan the document. So from here, you can click Add Attachment, and it will actually add another email attachment, which you can name as well. Keep in mind that the subject of the email will be the name of the last attached document. So let's go ahead and press OK. So this is going to send an email to Holly, and it's also going to send an email to Chris. then it will print out the PDF document. So you see the copier's lighting up right now. Now for the last workflow. Scan to folder. This is very similar to scan to email. You can name the document, whatever you'd like. And now I'm going to use the last scan feature. I don't actually want to load another document on there. I just want to reuse the last scan that I did. So I'm going to tap last scan. And this will recall the last job that I did as Holly. And this is it. I'm just going to press OK, and it's sent to my folder. And that's the Copitrak unit. Thank you. Have a great day.